Guys, my shampoo finished. This is my hair, as you can see. So I'm going to show you what my hair looks like. This is what it looks like. It's dirty, so don't look too close. Let's see, after washing it and adding some new products that I'm trying, let's see how it's gonna look. Supermodel. So guys, this is where the washing process takes place. So I'm going to get my hair wet. Yay.
Okay guys, so pro tip for you, be sure to get all your hair wet when you're washing it. You want to really get the water soaked into the roots, so whenever you're gonna wash it, it really absorbs all the nutrients that you're gonna get from the products that clearly you're gonna use. So yeah, this is a pretty good example of what to do while you're washing your hair.
I love washing my hair with hot water, hot water, hot water. I love using this shampoo. I'm not a pro or anything, but it makes my hair really soft, and then that makes it easier to detangle and comb when that time comes. I love to use this sometimes, and then I'll use the conditioner, which makes my hair extra soft and easy to comb out. What I do is I put my conditioner in this and mix it with some water and spray, because it makes it easier to distribute in my hair. So you'll see. Here we go. So right now my hair is like really dry in texture, so it's gonna need some more shampoo. Look, see? Where's the shampoo? Ooh, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Look. Yeah, it's setting up. Let me tell you something about my hair. It looks like it's setting up outside, but look. Dry, dry, dry. No soap. That's what happens when you have a lot of hair. Oh. Guys, my shampoo finished. My shampoo finished. Okay, so let's try to get the parts that didn't get any soap. That feels good. So guys, when your shampoo is almost finished, just add water. There's always some more in there. Yeah. I love when my hair is really sunny and I can feel the soap everywhere.
Wow.
Love, 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 love. See? Look at that. More. Remember to wash behind your ears, guys. And massage your scalp. It's good for your head. Circulation, you know? So it's time to rinse. Time to rinse. Okay.
Okay, so as she states, it's time to rinse the sud and the soap and the shampoo from out of her hair. Now, as you can see, you know, she's really getting her scalp massage, because it's very important to keep your scalp massage while you're washing your hair.
Okay guys, I'm gonna use some of the shampoo just to give it the nice, extra nice smell. Ooh, you see how that set up real quickly? Look at that. I think I may have used too much shampoo. Then I this soap, I shouldn't use so much. Okay guys, don't follow me if I use too much. Especially when you wash the first time already, your hair will set up easier the second time. Probably that's why my shampoo is finished already, because I use too much. But I just love to feel and see all the soap. Just makes me feel good, you know? You know that it's washing and it's gonna be clean. Okay, let me rinse.
So this is how you make the conditioner mix. You pour water into the bottle, then you're gonna squeeze a few drops of the conditioner in the bottle, and then you of course shake it up, and that's it.
It makes it so soft and it brings out your curls too. Let me see if I have enough. Just massage it in. If I feel like it's not enough, I'll put more. The good thing about this too is that because it sprays, it goes right to your scalp. So not only your hair is getting the moisture, but your scalp gets it too. So it goes right to the root of your hair. For like the ends, I would either spray too or just add some conditioner to my hand and rub it in. So I'm basically rubbing this into my roots so they can be moisturized. And it's gonna smell so good. I'm gonna let this stay a little bit and I'm gonna wash my comb and brush. A lot of people keep forgetting, or a lot of people forget to wash their comb and brush, but that's very important. When you wash your hair, you should wash your comb and brush, else you're gonna still transfer all that dirt and grease and whatever products you used to your new clean hair. Okay, so wash your comb and brushes. So since I have a lot of hair, I usually divide my hair up into like 4, or it depends on how tangled it is. Twist it up, get it out the way. I think I'm gonna comb out the front first. I usually comb out the back first. I feel like doing the front first this time. So, how's your day going? Have you washed your hair yet? Figured. So you can wash it tomorrow. Yeah? Okay, combing it out. Look at these curls. Yeah, look at them. It's gonna be a little while. This is why I take hours to wash my hair, guys. So I'm on the last one. And there you go. Let me just twist it. Twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. And I'm gonna rinse it out now. But I'm not gonna be scrubbing like I did before because I don't want it to get naughty. So let's go. So I'm out the shower. Let me pull my hair down. They're still in the 4 big twists. By the way, you like my shirt? Gotta do some laundry. Alright, so I am gonna try 2 new products. This one is a leave-in conditioner, and this one is a curl enhancing mousse. I decided to try these because I saw them in the store yesterday, and let's see how this goes. Alright, I'm gonna use the leave-in conditioner first. Let's start with the back. Ooh, look at my hair. It's so nice. It smells nice. Guys, this really smells nice. Oh, nice. Look at my hair. It's like, I don't know. It's like it already enhances my curl, and I'm not even using the curl enhancer. Oh, I want to get some more in because, as I said before, my hair was really dry because I did the bad thing of sleeping with it out, and I wasn't covering it with anything. So like the pillowcase really sucked the moisture out of my hair. I'm gonna put it in the other sides too, but I wanna try, like I'm really excited about this. I'm gonna try this. This is nice. Look at that. Wow, this really enhances the curls. Hey guys, so yeah, this is the finished product. Yeah, can you see? Yeah, so I actually love the products. I'm outside, by the way, which is why I have on my mask. The fire alarm went off at, what time is it? After 1 in the morning. So yeah, we're waiting for the fire marshals to come and turn the alarm off because there's no fire. So while I wait, I decided to do this, you know. So here it is, here it is. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed my video, and this was just a wash day in the life of Mrs. Thomas, a hair wash day, a wash hair day in the time in the life of Mrs. Thomas.